Day 42 of the Captain's Log, February 29th. It's a sea day. It's also my Oceans Ahead presentation day. And as you can see, I received a few questions from guests that I didn't have a chance to answer while I was on stage, so we're going to do some rapid fire. Kicking this off with Sherry, who says, how many years in between dry dock refurbishing? With Celebrity Cruises, we take our ships out of the water every 5 years to perform maintenance that we can't do while the vessels are in service. This one comes from Anna, who says, I would love to cruise, but have motion sickness. Do you have any tips other than the patch? A couple of recommendations. Stay low and centralized in the ship. Eat bland foods like rice or potatoes. Also drink ginger ale, and the bands that you wear on the pressure points, those also tend to work. This one's from Phyllis, who says, now that there are two brothers commanding a ship, not a boat, what are the chances that a captain and her husband, chief engineer, and their cat will command as the first family at sea? 0 chances, because then I'd be the boss at home and at work. Tinkerbell from Tampa says, what is your recommendation for a woman that would like to be a captain? Go Nike, just do it. Captain Kuiper, I hope I'm saying that correctly. What happens if a guest does not get off the ship at the end of their cruise? We will find you. This question is also from our captain in Curacao, who says, as captain, how much time do you spend on the bridge a day? I am up for arrivals and departures, and anytime the team needs me, I don't stand watch because I did that for 19 years before I became captain in 2015. Now I get to be out with the guests, and we have 3 teams that do 4 hours on, 8 hours off, so they're the ones that are standing watch on the bridge. Arlene in Florida, could you please wish my husband, Steve, a happy birthday? Happy birthday, Steve. Barb asked, what do you do for relaxation? I make videos. Kathy in Canada wants to know, for what reasons do you need to sound the horn during the night? Could be for a couple of different reasons, like restricted visibility. If we encounter FOG, we spell it. We don't say it because we don't want to call for it, but you will hear the horn going in the middle of the night. Also, if we have a traffic situation, for example, if we come across a vessel and we are unsure of their intentions, you're going to hear 5 short blasts on the ship's horn. And finally, Teddy from Arizona wants to know, what's the airspeed velocity of a coconut-laden swallow? Well, Teddy, an unladen swallow is about 24 miles per hour. A laden swallow with coconut is about 20.1 miles per hour. A group of swallows is called a gulp, and a group of coconuts is called a cluster.